Good morning everyone. This is Anil Kumar with you from RK International School, Nizampur, Delhi. I hope all of you are fine at home. Today students, we are going to discuss noun. Noun, look at the board. What is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place or a thing. Name of person, any place or anything. Noun can be classified into 5 types. You can say there are 5 types of noun. First is proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is the name of particular person, place or thing. Particular person, place or thing is called proper noun. For example, Delhi is the capital of India. In this sentence, Delhi and India, these are example of proper noun. Delhi is the name of particular city. India is the name of particular country. So these are proper noun. Next example, the Ganga is a holy river. In this sentence, Ganga is the name of particular river. So it is an example of proper noun. So what is proper noun? Name of particular person, place or thing. In these sentences, Delhi, India, Ganga. These are example of proper noun. Next type of noun is common noun. What is common noun? It is a name shared in common by everyone of the same class or group, you can say, is called collective noun. For example, birds fly in the air. In this sentence, birds. Next example, trees grow everywhere. In this sentence, trees. These two words in this sentence, birds and trees, they are representing a group, or you can say a class. Birds, this word represents a group. Trees, this word represents a group. So these are example of trees and birds are example of common noun. We can easily count the number of birds. We can easily count the number of trees. So you can say these are example of countable common noun. These are birds and trees are countable common noun. Come to next. Let's take next example. In this sentence, cows eat grass. Grass is a word. In next sentence, water is useful for health. In this sentence, water. We cannot count grass and water. So these two, grass and water, are example of uncountable common noun. They are also known as mass common noun because we cannot count them, but they can be measured. We cannot count, but we can measure. Next is collective noun. Collective noun, it is a name given to a number of things regarded as a whole group. For example, our team won the match. In this sentence, team, this word team represents a group, a whole group. So, it is an example of collective noun. Army fought bravely. In this sentence, army, the word army represents a whole group. So, this is an example of collective noun. Okay, after proper noun, common noun and collective noun, the next type of noun is material noun. Material noun is the word used for the substance of which things are made. For example, this table is made of wood. So, table is made of what? Wood. So, this word wood is an example of material noun. Next, ring is made of gold. So, ring is made up of what? Gold. So, gold is an example of material noun. So, in these two sentences, the words wood and gold are example of material noun. The last type of noun is abstract noun. Abstract noun is the word used for an action, state or quality. Keep in mind action, state or quality. For example, honesty is the best policy. In this sentence, honesty is what? Quality. Next, laughter is the best medicine. So in this sentence, laughter is an example of abstract noun. So honesty and laughter are examples of abstract noun. Hope